Kali Linux, the best distribution for ethical hacking objectives. Frankly, no other distribution can compete with Kali Linux. The release includes a variety of tools that may be used for ethical hacking. Device categories include wireless assaults, stress testing, online applications, vulnerability analysis, and exploration instruments. Because Kali Linux is derived from the Debian testing branch, the majority of packages are imported from the Debian repository. In prior versions, updates were not sent in an unreliable manner. In the most recent version, however, it has worked with offensive security and Cloudflare to ensure that all upgrades are successfully transmitted. Kali Linux is installed on a variety of platforms, including Chromebook, Raspberry Pi, BeagleBone, and others. This is one of its major features. In addition, with the introduction of Kali Hunter, Android cell phones are now supported. Regular rolling updates, tried-and-true hacking tools, vast learning materials, and a solid Debian foundation are some of the advantages of adopting Kali Linux. Kali Linux has always been available for free and in numerous languages. It is extremely configurable and comes with over 600 penetration and security testing tools. It is the most extensively used distribution for penetration testing on a global scale. The quantity of built-in penetration tools makes ethical hackers' lives easier. In addition to providing a sophisticated platform for penetration testing, it also provides learning opportunities for budding ethical hackers. Additionally, it has an active community and adequate documentation. Here are some of the tools you can find in Kali Linux. Nmap scans networks to discover devices, services, and open ports for security auditing. Metasploit exploits system vulnerabilities to simulate real-world attacks and validate security flaws. Wireshark analyzes network traffic in real time to detect suspicious activity and troubleshoot issues. John the Ripper cracks password hashes to test password strength or recover lost credentials.